My dear viewers, I created this 22/7 outfit for Francie several months ago. It's a Japanese exclusive that was never available outside Japan in the 60s, and it's very, very rare, and I wanted to recreate it to dress my Francie here with one of them. And I recreated the dress and the little bag, and the headscarf was still missing, and I had problems to find the right pattern for the headscarf. So recently I had a very crazy idea that I'd like to share with you now. Recently I got the Ready Steady Go for Francie from 1972, and I put it on my Francie, on my hair Francie, and I saw that this outfit and the headscarf are very similar to the 22/07, and so I changed the outward appearance and the shape of the headband a bit and did my own version. My dear viewers, I hope you like the result. You see here the recreation of the headscarf for the 22/07 outfit, a Japanese exclusive that I recreated here several months ago, but the headscarf was the last piece missing for this outfit. So I hope you like my little video, you share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye and happy collecting. Hello my dear Francie lovers. Today I show you the result of my project for the headscarf with a smart change of Ready Steady Go. I hope you